Hello, have you ever been awakened by this annoying sound? Yes, that is your chirping smoke alarm system. Well, it's been 5 years now. Going to replace it with a new battery with a 9-volt battery. Okay, just remove it counterclockwise. That should pop off and remove the wiring that comes with it. If your system there has been sitting there for a while, it's bound to have some kind of a dust or maybe an insect in there. You just need to blow it and make sure clear the sensor. That should fix. Okay. After removing the battery on the side, it should come off very easily. Okay. When you do that, make sure you press the button on the alarm for about 15 to 30 seconds. Because there's always a chance that there's going to be some power remaining in the capacitor that needs to be discharged. So if you do that for about 15 to 30 seconds, that should fix the problem. There you go. Okay, and blow it again to remove any kind of dust remaining in there. Then replace it with a new battery, and that should snap on very easily. Then test it again, and it should work. And then just put it back on again, and I should just snap on. Connect those three prongs that comes with it, and snap it back on clockwise this time. Then press it again. And that should do it. It turns blue and then green again. You should be done. Thanks for watching.
That's it.